Alright, good morning. We're looking at IMNM. Definitely a tongue twister there. Looking for it to break above VWAP and also this pivot there. Around 22.30, 22.29. So far it's been in consolidation mode after a sell-off. You can see there. It's not continuing to sell off aggressively like it did here. Instead, it is holding the levels below VWAP. But we do want it to convince us that it has enough strength. So we're gonna look at the daily, look at critical points there. 2360. Alright, let's see. There it goes. Looking to break that 2360. 2230, sorry. Just breaking it with some strength there. Stop loss underneath there. Underneath VWAP, underneath that support area. We are marching into a area of resistance. So far it's popping up beautifully. We will be facing some resistance around these areas here. You can see 22.96, 23 area basically. Right around there. Be some resistance. We have to fight that off. Looking for it to break those levels. There it goes to retest. Finding a little struggle there, but it's not selling off immediately, so it is holding. It is going to retest those $23 levels, or at least the levels around there, price points around the 23. As it gets closer and closer to 23, you see there's a 2,000 share seller there, which is not bad. There he goes. There it is. Gonna go test that area. Still having a little trouble there. Still being rejected. so far. Well, this thing has space to go all the way up to the 24s. And high of day, it's literally near 25. Question is, should we raise our, not only our stop loss, if we see this thing moving up higher, raise our stop loss towards break even, or at least a little bit above break even, or not? And I think we will, because there's enough strength right there. Raise it up to that level. But the next question is, should we raise our target profit up a little higher? It's another question there, right? Should we raise it a little higher to get more juice out of this thing, or not? Should we just take profit there? A lot of questions involved here. We could raise it an extra level there. 24, 24. Since we've already raised our stop loss, let's try to see how much more we can squeeze out of this thing. And then once it gets towards our previous profit target, 2360 area, we can raise our stop loss up there, or at least near there. Let's try something different. A little change in strategy, see if we could let our runners run. And it looks like it might stop us out here. If it doesn't hold this level, it might stop us out. But it's not changing strategy, it's more of a adjustment to the currently existing strategy. Definitely some tug of war there around 22.75. This little area, this little tug of war going. Whoa, and that thing just sank like a rock. All right. I guess that's our answer there. Yeah, it just got dumped. But straight towards VWAP, holding that as a support area. And our stop loss was right underneath here. So it would have probably stopped us out at a loss. Yeah, guess he sold off aggressively. All right, well, this thing got dumped like a kid in high school. All right, so just a quick recap. INMN, high relative volume, definitely one of the leading gainers of the morning. Free float is 9 million. Does have a catalyst as well, and we liked it because it had some nice action yesterday after hours, gapped up. Then during pre-market there was also some action, and then it dropped upon market open, and that thing dropped and consolidated near VWAP, well, right underneath VWAP. We bought for the break of VWAP setup and this pivot, and it did do that successfully. However, eventually reached the major resistance to the point where large amount of sellers, boom, this thing got dumped. But we stopped out at a smaller profit, you know, since we had raised our stop loss above break even, and we had also planned to potentially let this guy run a little farther. So we had raised our profit target from the original one of 23.60, and we also had planned to raise our stop loss towards 23.60 upon breaking that area, and didn't work. Well, perhaps next time we can try it again. So again, it's not a change of strategy, it's more of a modification of it. Alright folks, thanks for tuning in. I'll catch you guys next time. Happy Tuesday and bye.